Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you had a wonderful time, put your hands together.
Okay, last but not least.
Please don't forget, hold your bottle as you go out.
As a matter of fact, this is what you use.
Super talented, small doctor!
Good afternoon, everybody. God bless you. On behalf of the Nigerian Police Force, I will say a very big thank you to each and everybody that is present here this afternoon. God bless you all. I think I want to use my own talent to preach to you to stop doing drugs, stop cultism. Stop shabu.
Is that possible?
Yeah, because like people just say, like, what's the secret behind your energetic performance? I put it to you today. I do no drugs, I don't drink, I don't smoke.
I can testify to the fact that he doesn't drink and he doesn't smoke. I can testify to it. I don't drink, I don't smoke, and he doesn't do. I am saying it with all confidence. Let God be the judge.
Yes.
I am telling you
He doesn't
today,
drink and he doesn't smoke.
he doesn't drink, he doesn't smoke. I am telling you today, I put my life on the line for that, so that you know that truly he doesn't drink and he doesn't smoke.
Thank you.
Don't think that every entertainer do that. Some of us who don't do it, we need to preach it.
Yes,
We need to let people know it. You can be energetic. It doesn't mean you have to drink. And it doesn't mean you have to smoke. I have all the time in the world.
Sometimes it baffles me why people find it hard to believe. Because an entertainer, it was drink, it was smoke, it was do also. But basically, it's all atrocities. Why? Because I listen to you.
Because it just had to.
Exactly. I listen like that. So, your teacher, my mom would tell me, it will be very hard for you to believe. Yeah, it will be very hard. Yeah, definitely why yes. But don't forget, if you don't get money,
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.